Hey, what's up guys, it's Jonathan and another video for this video. And for this video I'll be putting in these two different kinds of popcorn in the microwave. So this one is probably like bigger than that size, but anyways, I'm afraid that people are gonna watch me because I'm right in front of the main house though. Anyways, the kitchen is usually all the way back in the house, but mine's different sort of right here. I'll be doing I'm probably gonna be good at putting two of them in there. Just so you know. Two completely different kind of popcorns. You know what I'm saying? You got it. I don't know if that's a good idea, but my microwave is kind of bigger than it could fit two of them in there. By the way, see if it works, okay? Yeah, you can see the mirror, like I'm doing it right now. By the way, I'm in the middle of the save button right there, and I'll be posting my own live stream thing for you guys. I'm sorry it'll be ready though. Okay. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, it says right there though. I don't know, but it'll be some kind of. Okay. What's going on and off right now? Okay. This thing is already up though. Here we go. Did that work? I'm afraid I'm not ready yet. Okay, I'm. What the heck? Wait a sec. Why is the fan on? There, guys. Just have to face it right now, though. Right there. There we go. That's a good start with this. Huh. maybe that didn't work at all though. That thing right there. Did I give up this? I don't know, but maybe two of them didn't work well. They only went on for like 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes though. Maybe it didn't work well, guys. Sorry, that was a fail, but that's okay. I'll probably like do another challenge video like the other day. So, hope you guys enjoy my like failing one. Well, I'm sorry that was like 2 minutes already though. Anyway, I was like alarmed. Like it would be like not even gonna do. I was a specialist YouTuber that I will always do weird stuff like that. That's heard a weird sound. Oh goodness gracious! How am I gonna? Oh my god! I'm afraid to like take him out like that. I don't think they pop well while I was doing this. So hope you guys enjoy this failing video. Hope you guys have a great day and like peace out though. Bye. And also guys, and I would know that would be always what you like to lose. No. I would like to watch a movie. Just kidding. So yeah.